Hi, in this video we'll be looking at one of the LeetCode problems. So it's problem number 20 called valid parentheses. So it's on the easy level. It's always good for the beginners to start with the easy ones before you actually go to the medium and the difficult ones. So it says that given a string S containing just the characters, this is the opening parenthesis, and then this is the closing one, and then the opening brace, the closing one, and then opening square bracket and the closing one. Determine if the input string is valid. So an input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of bracket. So basically it must, if it has an opening bracket here, must also have a closing one. Like for instance, this parenthesis, this opening parenthesis, there's a closing one. If this bracket has an opening one, it must also have a closing one. So in that way, we say that it is valid. Now let us go straight to the problem. It's obvious that the data structure that you'd use, it's a stack. So you can choose any language here. I'm just going to choose Java or Python. We can do either one of the two, but let's just stick with Java for now. And then it says that, okay, here we can start off by having our stack here, character stack, because of its last in and first out principle. So now what we need to do is that we need to go through the actual given string, which is the character one by one. So I'll just call it character C, and then from there we'll just look through the string to character array. And then now we need to check if a particular character is equal to a opening parenthesis, or that character is equal to an opening brace, or that character is equals to a square bracket, opening one there. And then if that is the case, then we can push that character into the stack. Otherwise, if the stack is not empty, meaning that there's something in there. If it is not empty, and we have balanced parentheses. So this is a method that we'll implement in just a sec. You can call it whatever you want. It's balanced, or you can just say check validity. You can really name it anything. So I'll name it check validity. So we need to implement this method. Let's just do that straight away. Right, so we'll have it public because of the unit tests. So we'll say public boolean check validity. So check validity will take two characters, right? So okay, let's just name it left one, and then we can have the right one. What we'll do is we'll just return check if left is equals to opening parenthesis and right equals to the closing one. Let's just copy this statement out, and then we'll say or if it is an opening brace, and then this is going to be a closing one. Or if it is an opening square bracket, and then here it's going to be the closing one. Just go ahead and do this. Yeah, just to format it a little bit, just so it's a little bit clear. I'll do it this way. Right, this is going to be the end. So if it is balanced like that, then what we need to do, and then it's not, and the stack is not empty, obviously, we need to compare the two. We need to pop it out. If we see that we have both of these brackets, required brackets, then we need to pop it out from the stack. So what I'll do is we'll say, okay, fine, let's just take the top of the stack, whatever is on the top of the stack. We'll do this, and then we'll just pick it there, and then we'll also pass in a character, and then if it is there, then we need to pop it from the stack. Otherwise, it means that there's no balance there. We just return false straight away. Cool. So if everything goes well, then it means that our stack at this point in time is actually empty, which means that it is valid parenthesis. Let us just try out our solution. Okay, all the tests are passed. Let's just do a submission. Viola.